Well, we're back on the Pride of Pride, and
Lady Liberty frowns upon him. Particular.
yeah, in particular.
In particular.
Let our enemies take no step that is not taken by the corpse.
In particular. Particular.
The first enemy will land on War Strider and just pull its legs off. 500 kilograms
of liberty. Thankfully, the blue one on my team.
He's bleeding out, don't worry.
How'd I fuck up destroying this the first time? Bomb! Oh, there we go. I did it! I saved the city.
Come on. There we go. Get stunned. Get stunned.
Ah, he chopped my leg off! I tripped on my gun too, so he died.
Yeah.
Don't you hate it when you trip on your gun? Out here serving for Super Earth.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where these vents are. Oh, they're at the front only. But I missed them all. All my grenades are gone.
Yep. This guy's staggering all over the place. Alright.
Eagle strafing run. Alright. Throw that shit at me.
Alright, stun this guy, he's not gonna bother you for a bit. Alright.
Oh my god, that's an even bigger guy. I wasn't even on about that guy. That's a completely different dude.
Yeah, but that is still a Star Wars
Hellbomb
reference.
is going. I'm dropping it. I'm not going down with the ship.
Alright, alright. Mm-hmm. Ran.
Ah!
Alright. Nice.
They're shooting at me.
Oh, that was close. I teleported at the exact right time there. Oh, I did teleport at the wrong time there. I got blown up by my own pack. I teleported 3 times.
Hellbomb is armed and dangerous.
I got touched by this man's sword. He didn't even swing. Dead. Fight.
I'm a dumbass.
Calling in reinforcements. Reinforcements have been launched. Calling down a support weapon.
A bit of chainsaw, a little bit of shotgun, and that big behemoth is down.
Get the AT-AT out of here.
Mm-hmm, working on it. He's dead.
You have ignited the torches of liberty.
Alright. A little bit of explosive funnies there.
We've got equipment. Affirmative. I need supplies. Thank you.
That was close.
Another kill box here. Y'all better get the fucking...
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Get it down! Get it down!
Nope. They did not notice. They did not notice. Maybe like ping the bomb when you drop it, you
Another
know?
victory for the right
He
side.
was like, he literally crouched next to it and fucking looked at it.
It's like, oh, that was dumb.
And fear the shadow of neither death nor tyranny, but justice is your
All of them?
Calling down a sentry.
Oh.
Ow!
Whoops.
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh, that's a Vox engine. Run.
New mag.
I have a bomb! I have a bomb!
Alright, then run towards it then. Still running.
I'm going!
Just be careful, they have machine guns.
Hellbomb armed. Clear the area.
Prepare to die, evil machine! You are nothing in comparison to our Lord. I died still, but you know. A bomb!
You took him down, though.
Fuck yeah. Oh my.
Whether you're watching this live on the VOD or you're watching the YouTube video later on, go into the description or about section to check out the links there. You'll find my Twitch link there as well as the YouTube channel stuff on the Insta and, well, the Insta link itself. You'll find out all the other clips that I've stored on here from the previous streams as well as some other long form stuff. And yeah, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at my usual week time, which is more towards the night. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.